Going over to some stories from entertainment now. Movie industries across the world have suffered numerous heartbreaking losses over the years, with brilliant talents breathing their last before their time. Well, here is an overview of notable actors who died young. Hayden Panettiere gained international fame as a child actor before starring in television series such as Heroes and Nashville. She passed away in August 2026 at her home in South Carolina at the age of 36. Authorities reported no initial signs of foul play, bringing an abrupt end to a career defined by early stardom and public transparency regarding her personal battles. Michelle Trachtenberg rose to prominence as the title star of Harriet the Spy before taking on major roles in Buffy the Vampire Slayer and Gossip Girl. She died in New York City in February 2025 at the age of 39. The medical examiner's office later confirmed that her passing was due to natural causes stemming from complications of diabetes. Trachtenberg and Panettiere popularly played rivals turned friends in Ice Princess. Liam Payne, former member of the world-renowned British boy band One Direction, tragically passed away at the age of 31 after falling from a third-floor balcony at a hotel in Argentina. His sudden and untimely death prompted an outpouring of grief from devoted fans. Sushant Singh Rajput was a prominent Indian actor who transitioned from popular television roles to leading Bollywood films such as Kai Po Che, MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, and Chichore. He was found dead at his residence in Mumbai in June 2020 at the age of 34. His death was determined to be suicide by hanging, sparking extensive media coverage and national conversations regarding mental health in the film industry. Heath Ledger was an acclaimed Australian actor who earned widespread critical acclaim for his roles in Brokeback Mountain and The Dark Knight. Well, he died in New York City in January 2008 at the age of 28 following an accidental prescription drug intoxication. He was posthumously awarded the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor for his portrayal of the Joker. Judy Garland achieved immortal stardom as Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz and earned critical acclaim for a star in Is Born. However, the severe pressures of early child stardom led to lifelong health problems and substance dependency. She died in London in June 1969 at the age of 47 from an accidental overdose of barbiturates. Marilyn Monroe remains one of the most enduring cultural icons of the 20th century, starring in classics such as Some Like It Hot and The 7-Year Itch. Despite her public glamour, she faced severe personal difficulties and mental health challenges throughout her career. Monroe was found dead in a Los Angeles home in August 1962 at the age of 36 from an overdose, which was ruled a probable suicide.